Let's get a picture together. Look, guys. There we go.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy olkellz. We coming back with another video. Today, me and my little man, we about to ride to a car show that Slim Thug is putting on. He's supposed to be bringing out a few of his cars. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Sprinkle a little love, like I like to say, and let's get to it. We done arrived. Nice little notch Fbody. Got the lineup of surveillance. I'm sure 60 something, I believe. I'm not a Mustang fanatic. Really can't tell you, but nice Mustang. We got Slim Maybach. He just bought this. Just got it. Another car. Shit, this is clean. I realize how clean this car really is. Everything detailed there. It's clean. The inside of this dog is clean. Lambo years right here. Lambo years.
Let's get a picture right quick, big man. Let's get a picture together. Look, guys. There we go. Big boss off right there.
Slim truck. You got a badass lift on it. I forgot what it's called. Follow his Instagram, you'll see it. It's up and down. I know it's operated by air. This thing is sick as hell. This truck is tall as fuck. I don't think y'all realize how tall this is. I'm 6 foot and I'm looking up at it. And we got his Cadillac right here. Clean. Got the camo wrap beans. This thing is clean. Really clean. And you got the, I'm not even sure what the hell this is. Oldsmobile. Oh, 442 Oldsmobile. Duh. It's Cutlass. This thing clean. Oh. Impala SS. This is one of them bucket list cars that I'm going to get. I don't know anything about H. Yeah. Open up the trunk. Trunk on them bags. Trunk ain't done up to perfection. It's still popping. Gotta give some love to the Fbody. Clean old 5-car Trans Am. Got the Rivy on them things. It's swing down. What year is this? I'm not sure what year it is. This dog is clean. Another Impala. Dog is clean. Alright guys, sorry me and Kai had to burn off. I know the video is short. If you like what you saw and want to continue to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Sprinkle a little love, like I like to say. Like, share, and comment on it, and we'll catch y'all next time.